In this video, you'll learn how to generate code using the Windsurf application. This guide will take you through each step to ensure a smooth coding experience. Begin by launching the Windsurf application on your computer. Ensure that your system meets any necessary requirements for optimal performance. Once the application is open, you will see the main interface, which includes various options for code generation. Next, locate the option labeled Agent on the interface. This is typically found on the left sidebar or in the main menu of the application. Click on Agent to access further functionalities related to code generation. After that, look for the button that says New Session. This option is crucial as it initiates a new coding session within the application. Upon clicking this, the screen may refresh or load new options, confirming that you are ready to proceed. Once this appears, a section labeled Cascade Code will come into view. This area is where the generated code will be displayed. It is essential to ensure that this section is visible before moving on to the next step. At this point, type in the command create a Python app into the designated input area. This command directs Windsurf to generate a specific type of code tailored for Python applications. Make sure to enter the command accurately to avoid any errors in the generation process. Next, click on the Enter key to submit your command. This action prompts the application to begin the code generation process. It is important to watch for any loading indicators or progress bars that may appear, signaling that your request is being processed. Finally, wait for Windsurf to generate the code. Depending on the complexity of the request and your system's performance, this may take a few moments. Once the generation is complete, the code will appear in the Cascade Code section, ready for you to review and use as needed. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next